Okay, let's take a start. What kind of teachers do you like the most?
I like the teachers most which have
Who have
depth knowledge about
in-depth knowledge?
in-depth knowledge in his subject, and he teaches student very well, and he teaches the students on his intelligence level. Uh,
So
such kind
such type of
teachers
teachers
I
are
like.
my most favorite.
Are my first.
When you say teachers, then you say they.
Yes.
Then you will not say he.
Yes.
Okay. Who was your favorite teacher at school?
So my favorite teacher at school was Asad Yaqub, who was the teacher of physics, and he teaches us very well.
He taught us very well.
He taught us very well. He had been taught everything very well.
He taught everything very well.
He taught-
First you can say taught, then you say he guided, he instructed, he imparted knowledge. This is what, yeah.
He had taught me. I'm sorry.
No, he had taught is past perfect. If you're using past simple, then you can use past perfect. But otherwise, you can simply say he taught us very well. He used to teach us very well. He used to deliver his lectures in a friendly way. That's better, right? Okay. Would you like to become a teacher in the future?
Really, I will want to become a teacher.
I will want is not right. I would like to.
I would like to become a teacher in the future because I have a patience, and I think I deliver everything to the students very well, and that's why I will become.
टीचर्स की शादी नहीं होती, कुर्बानी दे लेंगे? हाँ?
Yes.
पहले शादी करूँगा, फिर टीचर बनूँगा. Okay? Yeah, that's good. Let's go on. Have you ever had a bad teacher or bad experience with a teacher?
Yes. When I was in matric, the teacher of biology was very strict, and he did not teach anything when we asked second time, and that's why I think it is not.
What kind of teachers do you like?
I like the teachers which taught the students.
Who teach the students?
Who teach the student in friendly way, and who teaches the students on his intelligence level.
Okay, you said I like the teachers. Then you will not say who teaches. Who teach?
Who teach.
Okay.
And who have good communication skills.
All right. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is Urdu, because I like Urdu poetry and Urdu literature. So that's why it is my
All
favorite.
right. Can you tell me any verse from Urdu poetry? शेर सुनाना है, हाँ. Come on.
सर शेर.
बिल्ली सुना दो.
सर जब तवक्को ही उठ गई गालिब, तो शिकवा किसी से क्या था.
हाय हाय हाय, क्या हो गया? जब तवक्को ही उठ गई गालिब,
तो शिकवा किसी से क्या.
Yeah, when expectation is gone, then why should I complain?
Yes.
Yeah, I translate. People from Africa will understand that. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.